Hi friends, welcome to the channel Tech EE. Hi friends, now we are discussing about full wave rectifier. In previous video we discussed about half wave rectifier. In that half wave rectifier it is having only one diode, and in this full wave rectifier it is having two diodes and having one center tapped transformer. Here the use of center tapped transformer, it supply current in both half cycles of the input voltage. Okay, it supplies both half cycles of the current both sides in the input voltage. Okay, now we will see how it works. In first half cycle D1 is forward biased and conduct. D2 is reverse biased. It does not conduct. For that, and we are taking second half cycle. Here we make sure that the center tapped transformer, it will supplies the current in both half cycles of the input voltage. For this, now we are saying that second half cycle. For the second half cycle, D2 is forward biased and conduct, and D1 is reverse biased, does not conduct. D1 is forward biased, D2 is reverse biased. Here D2 is forward biased and D1 is reverse biased. It conducts, D1 conducts, here it won't conduct. Okay, for this we are getting the output voltage waveforms. Now see here, input waveform, that is the output voltage is Vn equals to Vm sin omega t. This is the input. Okay, see here, now we are going to draw output voltage pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. This is omega t, this is V out. Now we are going to draw V out. See, for the first half cycle the diode D1 is forward biased. Here 0 to 5, the diode D1 is forward biased. And the second half cycle, the diode D2 is forward biased, the diode D1 is reverse biased. For this 5 to T5, the diode D2 is forward biased. In the next positive half cycle, the diode D1 is going to forward biased. From 2π to 3π, diode D1 is going to forward biased. This is omega t. For these, the two half cycles, the positive half cycle from D1 is forward biased and D2 is reverse biased, and next half cycle the diode D2 is forward biased and D1 is reverse. Alternatively, the diodes are forward biased and reverse biased. If D1 is forward means D2 is reverse. If D2 is forward means D1 is reverse. Like this, first the output voltage waveforms will be appear. Now we are going to see about average voltage output. Okay, VAVG. For this we are going to take 1 by 5 0 to 5 Vm sin omega t d omega t. We will get 2 Vm by 5. This is the average output voltage, and we are getting the average load current. We will get that I average equals to 2 Vm by 5 R. See, what is the difference between half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier? Average voltage output and average current output. In the half wave rectifier, we get Vm by 5. This is half wave rectifier. And full wave rectifier, we average is 2 Vm by 5. This is full wave rectifier. See, here Vm by 5 is half wave rectifier, 2 Vm by 5 is full wave rectifier. And current I average for the half wave rectifier is Vm by 5R. For the full wave rectifier, load current is 2 Vm by 5R. This is the difference between half wave and full wave average voltage output and average current output. Thanks friends.